Hey Corey, hope your day is busy and successful. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. I spoke with you earlier and I said I was going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business with Powell's Lawn Care. Now, the first question with business owners is usually along the lines of why I should do this. Well, here's why. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Plain and simple, right? Well, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, and can you do this for me? So, by the end of the video, like what you hear, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers. You can shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, after watching the remainder of the video I'm about to show you, I would appreciate some feedback or even a Google review so I can show others the important topics I'm about to show you. So before you try it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I have to go over with you is your content. So in order for your business to be fully optimized to Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Now I found your site has about 270 words currently, which is totally fine. Now in comparison to one of your competitors, I'll be going over Heritage Lawn and Irrigation. And I found their site has about 485 words with keyword-rich content. Now this is very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And every month people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number 1. And in turn, you're missing out on potential clients and customers. So I show you this tool Ahrefs. It shows what your site is actually dense with. And since it looks like a fairly new site, you have about 2 organic keywords. Now these organic keywords, Powell Lawn Care and Powell Lawn Services, have these traits to it: volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, and position. So volume, the number of amount of times people search Powell Lawn Care will pop up right here. KD is how hard it is to rank these certain keywords. Cost per click derives on the AdWords that you set and how many times this click in the Google results will cost you. Traffic is how many people are coming to your site whenever they search this word, and that usually derives on the position that you're in. So usually if you're in the first position for a certain keyword, you're getting the most traffic than anyone else using the same keyword as you. So going to your competitor, you see what he's ranking for. Some pretty big stats, but don't get hurt by that. You can see the keywords that he is also using. Now each keyword, of course, has a volume, KD, cost per click, and traffic. He has some bigger numbers than you do. Now I like the keywords that have either a niche, service, or a niche and location. So let's see, sprinkler system, Kansas City. Now this has a volume 60, KD of 11, which is not that hard to rank, but it's still up there. Now this is bringing in 22 people per month to his website. The closing rates on that is probably about 50, so he's landing about 10 of those clients. The only reason there's 22 people coming to his website because he's ranked number 1 for sprinkler system, Kansas City. So when someone searches that up, this is what pops up, his website. So now that you know the importance of content that have keyword in it, let's go on to the next optimization section, which is the second most important thing I'd like to talk about. And you see I searched up Kansas City Lawn Services, right? This is the Google Map Pack. Now, inside the map pack, you see a name of the business address, and a business phone number. Now you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, getting your ratings up with 5 stars, of course this will boost your authority and also rank you higher in Google. Everyone wants reviews. You gotta get them. But the behind the scenes, you want to go up to this tool called WhiteSpark. Inside the tool is a local citation finder. Now this shows how many citations, aka NAPs, you have submitted in directories such as Facebook, Bing, Yelp, bb.org, and so on, right? Well, this is how you get those citations. You get those directories and you insert that NAPs into them, and they sooner or later pop up as a citation, in turn ranking you higher in the Google Map Pack. Alright. Now usually businesses have between 40 to 60, so if you get like at least 100, 200, you'll be beating them by a landslide. Well, now I'm pull up your third optimization section, and this is the probably most important aspect because this is what gives your site authority, and this is called link juice. So I go back to search of Kansas City Lawn Services, right? Go back, you see the ads up top. These are what people pay for. This is the cost per click. You have another ad, Sam Sturf using one from the Google Map Pack, and you have the Google Map, and you have your organic listings, right? This is on the first page of Google, and this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to be out of the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Site A is acting like the link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. But there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So let's say, for example, you have KC Lawn Services linking back to you. It'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza or like a mechanic linking back to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living or work on cars. You might, actually. Well, I'll pull up Ahrefs again. And since you don't have any backlinks, I'm going to show you your competitors. And if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month. It's great for checking out all of these stats from any competitors that you might want to compare your site to. So the cool thing about this tool, when you search up backlinks for a competitor or just want to do it for fun, you can see where their backlinks are coming from and where they're going to. You can see the anchor text behind the link. So usually people search or use their certain keywords they want to rank for, like lawn care in Kansas City or best lawn care in Olathe, Kansas, right? Well, there's also, you can keep scrolling down, more pages. So you can take every single one and make them your own. But remember, there are more relative sites that you can link to that will give you more domain authority. So that pretty much wraps it up for the 3 things I want to cover. I'm going to go over them one more time. So content, you need at least 1,500 words so you can start optimizing your front page. Any service page or location pages, you also want to get those up with word count. So at least 500 to 1,000 to start off with. You want to start ranking it later on. 1,500, same as your home page. And for your citations, you want at least 200 or 300 of these, if at least, right? So you can start beating them out by a landslide. That's going to get you up on that map pack on the first page. Lastly, your link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. You don't have any right now, but that is totally fine. In due time, you will get those up. Now, I bet you're wondering what now. Well, if you implement these strategies today, you will be #1 across Google, right? You either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, I would love some feedback or even a review on Google. And my name is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you.